This is the underground, that car show that we all have been hyped up about. Right, happening right here, Joina City Basement 3. There's a BMW E92 convertible to your Sally car, the Silver Gang. There's a lot going on here. You wanna see this? You gotta be here. I mean, if you missed it, of course, that's why I'm here for you, fam. I'm doing this. I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna enjoy these videos. I'm gonna upload them on YouTube, and I would really appreciate your support, more subscriptions. That wagon, baby. Super Gang. This is how they do it. Man, that thing is fast.